Virgo forecast for love in 2021. You expect perfection of yourself, Virgo, and you have very high standards for others. This is both your blessing and your curse. While the bar is quite high for the demands you place on yourself, your expectations aren't always realistic. No one is perfect, although you surely do try. And when it comes to love, nothing can be less perfect. This means that romance can be quite a difficult thing for you to navigate at times, especially when you demand so much of yourself and of your partner. But love will never be a lost cause because this is something you will never give up on. When you first meet someone, your walls are up. It takes some time to get close to a Virgo, but when those walls begin to melt, the experience of knowing you is sublime. A physical and sensual connection is very important to those born under your sign, so you not only have to please your aesthetic and intellectual desires when you meet a mate, you also have to be with someone with whom you have incredible sensual and romantic compatibility. This year, your main mission to achieve to make your love life as ideal as possible will be to know what you can and cannot handle, and not to make promises you may not be able to keep. You often spread yourself too thin because you want to be generous with your lover, but when you deplete your energy trying to please someone, it can have the opposite effect. Be just as conscious in 2021 of your own needs and limits as you are of being attentive and affectionate to your partner. Single Virgos could take some time to develop in this way, but by year's end, you may be ready to look for the one. Attached Virgos will find themselves evolving beautifully within their relationships this year if you follow the above advice.